Hey guys, welcome back to another video on How Logical. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your UPSR's account. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to stick till the end and follow all the steps. Now, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now, let's move on to the video. Firstly, you have to open up a web browser on a PC. And there you have to search for upsrs.com and press enter on your keyboard. And once you search for it, you will be landed to its official homepage. Now there you have to tap on UPSR's login at the top right of your screen, or you can also tap on UPSR's login button at the left side of your screen. As you tap on it, you will be directed to its login page. Now you have to enter your employee number and then give this @ and usps.com at the end. Now if you can't access to your account, you can tap on this can't access your account link and recover your employee number. Now once you're done with typing in your employee number, tap on next button. You will be taken to the next page where you have to enter your password of your account. Now type in your password correctly, and if in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget my password link to recover your password. And once you're done with typing in your password, tap on sign in button. Now once you tap on sign in button, you will taken to your UPSR's account. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your UPSR's account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.